Bonjour, good morning YouTube, greetings and salutations. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm just like, woo! My hair is so long, but I just deep conditioned it last night and it is feeling super duper soft. So I'm just like, I'm feeling it. I'm going nuts. But it's Sunday. I'm ready to go thrifting today and hope you guys are too. It's gonna be a super fun day today, and I'm just feeling like the thrift is gonna be giving us some amazing treasures today. So cross your fingers, hope for a good day for me, and let's go. And let me know also if you guys find anything really cool recently, because I always love hearing about your friends as well. But with that being said, let's head out and go thrifting. Alright guys, we just got to our first location. We are in LA at the Flagship Goodwill store. It's on San Fernando Road. They have the regular Goodwill and the Goodwill outlet. So let's go inside and check it out and see what we can find today. It's such a super fun place to go. So much shopping that can be done here. You can spend hours. So we're gonna go into the regular Goodwill. We can't film unfortunately at the outlet, so I'll show you if I get anything over there. But let's go inside and check it out. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com. This is what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into there. Alright you guys, we are inside. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright you guys, I'm in the accessories section. Check out what I just found. This is Burberry vintage belt. Crazy! I had a bunch of bags behind the register, but I'm gonna wait till someone's available to help me. There's only one person up there that's running the register at the moment, and there's a bunch of people online. So we're gonna check out the rest of the store first and see what they have. Oh look, I think this is a Ted Baker. Oh my gosh, I actually had this bag at one point. Here is the Ted Baker in all its glory. Some of the strings are coming out, but that's an easy fix. $14.99. Okay, I think we're gonna hold on to this. Ooh, look at, there's an Emma Fox bag right here. Ooh, I love the interior. That's pretty cute. Doesn't look like there's a price in here though. So we're gonna have to maybe ask. Let's see first if it's worth asking about. Looks to be in good condition, so we're gonna ask. What's this? They have really good music here today too. I'm like, why is it so good? I just want to sing along. Ooh, look at this little bag with a little heart. Ooh, what's this? Tramontano? Ew, why does this bag look cute though? I want to look this up and see what this is about. Oh my gosh, this looks like a Tory Burch bag, but it's like not. Okay, let's check out. Let's start over here and work our way down. This I think is a Cole Haan. It's stained though. Yeah, it is a Cole Haan. Or no, it's a Coach? No, Coach, not Cole Haan. Coach. Yeah, it's stained though, so I'm not gonna really look too into it. There's an Aldo right there. There's a Coldwater Creek. Looks like, oh, there's a Cuba right here. Let's see what this looks like. Wow. Kind of like more vintage style. It's $11.99. Alright you guys, I think I found a fossil right here. Nice green fossil bag, 10 bucks. It has some marks right there. Maybe they can come out. I do like the color of the green. Oh, there's more pen marks on the back. I don't know. Okay, maybe no. We're just gonna hold off on that one. Too many pen marks for me at the moment. And fossil leathers are really soft, so they do absorb a good amount of that stuff when pen marks get into it. So it's a lot harder to try and remove them. So the finish of bags always plays a pretty big factor in whether or not you're going to be able to remove stains more easily than others. And a lot of the time fossil leathers are really nice, but they're very absorbent because the leathers are so soft and porous. So they just suck up the ink and don't want to let go. Here's a vintage, oh, I don't think it's vintage, but Coach. I just found this Vince Camuto clutch at the cart. It's $14.99. Now I'm looking to see if I can find any crystal Preferably Tiffany's maybe. I've had a little bit of luck finding Tiffany stuff recently, which is so awesome. And I'm like always on the hunt now because I have 3 of those crystal Tiffany candlestick holders. And I'm like itching to add some more to the collection. Let's see what we can find here. I feel like this store never has that many plates and stuff. They always, like, I don't know, people just buy them really quickly. This is a lot of string. Let's see if we can find any cool mugs. I know everything's pretty picked over, you guys, but then again, it is a Sunday, and this is a pretty high traffic store, so I wouldn't expect anything less from this place. You know, I really actually want to come here during the week and see how it is. I've never come here during a weekday, I think. I think I've only ever been here on Saturdays and Sundays. Oh, look at this little guy. These are from Target. Alright, I am now in the backpack. Seeing if they put any good bags over here. Sometimes they make their way over here, people just drop them off. Oh, look at this. I think this is like a Lucky Brand bag. Sure is. Let's see. Wonder how much it is. Oh, there's a hole in the back. It looks like it, like from like a rubbing. Yeah. Oh, and it's torn right there. What a shame. This is actually a really pretty bag. Stop. I just found an Anthropologie mug, right? I think. It is. Gee, I don't have this letter. Okay, I think we need this. I think we do. Come on, any other Anthropologies? Look at this thing though. Yeah. Look at all the furniture. Oh, look at the little turtle. Look at all the books. Look at this. This is 20 bucks for that. It's pretty cool. Ton of bikes right there. I'm actually looking at the DVDs right now. I'm specifically looking for Something's Gotta Give, and I'm determined to find it at the Goodwill. That's like one of Mom's favorite movies, and I'm looking for it. Looking for another one because she lost her DVD in the move. Oh, they do have Sex in the City. I'm still checking the DVDs, but look here, they have all the Friends DVDs. So far, no luck. They do have a lot of really good movies though. But yeah, I'm just really looking for that movie. So we'll see if we can find it. This Goodwill is always. Oh, they have 27 dresses though. Oh, and Dreamgirls. Hold on. They have some Ferragamo shoes right there for $11.99. Some Steve Madden's. And Taylor. Donna Davis. Vince. They have a Lacoste dress right here. $16.99. Alright, you guys, we have one last stop of the day, and I'm super excited to go in. Hopefully they have something good, because I came here yesterday and they didn't really have anything. So let's go inside, check it out. We're at Rare, so let's go see what they have. I was like, leopard print, yes. This is Kathy Von Zealand. Almost a Louis Vuitton, but not quite. We still have the same Big Buddha, B. Mikowski, Calvin Klein, 18 Agner. What's this? Amy Kestenberg. Leather. Oh, look at this painting. It's a print. They have a bunch of Coach sandals. Oh, a cloche, something. Gorilla Nator. Is this like the gorillas? Steve Madden, coffee, fabric steamer, Union Jack box, Hearth and Hand stapler. Looking through the books, but it looks like someone looked through all of them already. There's like not much left. Some Nikes. Size 13, yikes. Oh, Venture shoes. Hey guys, I just left the store. I didn't get anything, but I did get to meet a couple of you guys in there, Edward and Cecilia. It was so nice meeting the two of you. You guys are so sweet. I hope you run into each other again. And I hope you guys found some really good stuff today. So anyway, let's head over back to the house. It's been a long day and I think the sun's about to go down, so. Hello, Lizo.
Hello, Goku.
Hello, Katie. Are you Pikachu today? Wow, let me see your outfit. Show everyone your Pikachu dance. Oh, you dropped a pickle. Guys, this is what Mom made. She made bulgogi, and then we're gonna eat them like wraps. Uncle Cage.
Ooh, John Red's True South.
Man, if only this thing focused more.
It's pink.
Pink.
Look, it's pink.
Archie.
Like a pink.
Look at my color. Are you filming?
Mom.
I thought you were like being.
I
thought you were doing your ridiculous thing. You know that thing where you do like the close-up.
Oh, it doesn't close up that far.
I like, please don't.
Oh my gosh, you guys, Mom's purple rice is done, so we're gonna go take a look at it.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh, it's so purple.
Don't do that.
Eliza, oh no, where'd he go? Where'd Sphero go? Tell him to come back. Hey guys, guess what? I found a bunch more, so this is perfect. I'm gonna get this one for Zach, because it's like an orangey red, and red's his favorite color. And check it out, I also found more of these Emma Pottery Barn plates. I don't know yet if I'm gonna get them, probably not, because they're $3 each, and I think I already have enough for a complete place setting at the dining table. So I think I might actually just leave them, but I just grabbed them just so I can show you. Oh